हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग। दोस्तों, ऑलरेडी वी हैव completed 4 videos on this tutorial, Azure Devops tutorial. So today is our 5th video. So in this video we are going to see how we can create new branch while working on any new implementation or any task, and then we will see how we can create a pull request after making changes, and when our pull request will be approved, then how we can check code into our master branch. So all these things we will see in this video, so be stay here 2 to 3 minutes, then you will able to understand how we can do all these things. So let's start the video.
So I hope you have remember in the last video we have created this Azure Dev4 tutorial project and we inserted in newly created Azure new repo. So now we will see in Azure DevOps also. If you will see in Azure DevOps, this organization what we have created, Azure DevOps tutorial Dheeraj Tech and other this Azure DevOps learning. So we have created this organization and this project. Inside this we have created this repository Azure new repo. So in this repository we have pushed this project. So in order to see that how we can create a new branch and how we can create pull request, so for all these things we have to go in Visual Studio and need to open this project into Visual Studio. So for that I will open in Visual Studio this project. It will take few second to open. So guys, if you will see, our project is open in Visual Studio. Now here if you will see here, it is open in our master branch. So now from here we will start how we can create a new branch to work on it. If you are going to work with any new implementation or any new task, so for that you have to create first new branch. So I am clicking on this icon and again you have to click on this new branch. After clicking on this new branch, we have to give here branch name. I'm just giving BAT35. Here if you will see, based on this is asking, so we will pull code from main branch to this new branch. This is our master branch. So here we are pulling code from master branch to our new branch. So for that we have to click on this create button. After clicking on create button, it will take few seconds, and now if you will see all code whatever was present in master branch, all code pulled in this newly created branch BAT35. So we are able to see now this code is opened in our newly created branch. So like this we can create branch. So now we are going to see how we can create pull request. So in order to create pull request, pull request, so for that we have to make few changes in our code. First we will make one change here. For example, I'm just adding my name, channel name Dheeraj Tech. Now if you will see here, this edit icon is enabled now. Here before it was showing 0, now it is showing 1. So here we have to click. If we will click here, so it will show what file changes you have made. So here if you will see in this file, so if I will double click on it, so guys, you will be able to see what I have made changes here. So I added this Dheeraj Tech. So if you will see, I have added this Dheeraj Tech. Now I will try to insert these changes into our DB. For that I have to give one comment here, added Dheeraj Tech. I'm just giving one comment, you can give anyone. Here from here commit all, you can click on this commit all. If you will click on this commit all, then our code will not check in, it will just commit only. We will show here. If you will click on this commit all, after clicking on it, I will show you in our Azure repo. So here I am going in Azure repo. If you will come here in history, you will see our code is not checked in here. If you will see, nothing is happening here because we didn't push into this repository. To push code into this repository, for that you have to click on this push icon. if you will click on this push icon, so it will take few seconds to push our code into this repository, but branch will be same only bat35. So it will take few seconds. So guys, if you will see here, successfully pushed bat35 to origin. So here if you will see in our Azure repo, I will refresh once, or if I will go in history and again I will come here, so I will let you know. After refreshing it only I can show you. So guys, if you will see now, so it is asking to create pull request. We can create pull request from left side tab pull request also. From here also we can create pull request. So for now I am going with this only. In order to create pull request, you have to click on a pull request button here. If you will click on this create pull request button, so here you can give one title and you can give one description here. Guys, again you have to click on create. After clicking on this create button, guys, you will able to see our pull request is created. Our PR is created. Now here you will able to merge these changes what we have made these changes in bat35. Now if you will go in Azure Devops file, I will show you. See here in history our changes is not came, like here our changes is not pushed into this master branch. Before that we have to complete this pull request. Whatever we have created, it should complete, then only we will able to push that changes in our master branch. Before that, so for that, first your senior manager, your manager or your team lead or your senior can review your changes what you have made here, and after that he can review or she can review from here. So after reviewing, if everything is fine, then they will approve your changes from here, clicking on this approve. After clicking on this approve, then only you will able to complete this merge. For complete this merge, you have to click on this complete, and after that it is asking to merge. So if you will click on this complete and merge, so our changes whatever we have made in bat35, that changes is checked in our master branch. We will show here. We have to click on this repo. So here we will see in history. If you will see in history, our changes added the restrict. If you will see, our changes is added. So for now guys, if you will see, we have seen three things. First, how we can create new branch. Second, how we can create pull request. After creating pull request, how we can merge our code into the master branch. So these three things we have seen in this video, guys. Next thing we will see in next video. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye bye. Thank you.